Hi everyone, this is Armin with Lennar Homes. Today I'm going to quickly go over our models for sale at Emerald Point, which is a townhome project in the city of Anaheim off the Lincoln and Euclid gated community. This particular floor plan, we have three different floor plans: a two-bedroom, a three-bedroom floor plans. This particular one is our Model 3, which is shown here on the corner. It's always a corner unit. It is around 2,000 square feet, three bedrooms, two full bathrooms, and two powder rooms. My favorite floor plan over there. This is the first floor, which has a flex space that you can easily use as an office. And right over there, there was a half bathroom, a powder room on the first floor. The second floor, we have the living space. As you see, the home is beautifully upgraded, a lot of windows. Obviously, we are selling this actual home, which is a model home, for only $955,000, $955,000, and you have a chance to purchase the furniture. But the good news is, even if you don't buy the furniture, all of the items which are on the walls and on the ceiling stays with the home. For example, this decorative wall piece or this beautiful light fixture, they all stay with the home, so they technically come with the home. Um, as you see, that's a dining area, very spacious dining area, and then we go to the kitchen. A lot of cabinets, quartz countertop, all the appliances in their kitchen are always included Lennar, but this one, because it is a model home, you also get the washer and dryer. So it's pretty much turnkey. As you see, this is the second powder room on the second floor for the guest. So they would not need to go to the third floor and use one of the bathrooms of the residence of the unit. So the third floor, we have three bedrooms. All the three bedrooms are located on the third floor. You see there are plenty of accent walls, beautiful upgrades throughout the home. This is the secondary bathroom, which two of the bedrooms on the third floor share. One of the bedrooms, perfect for a younger family. Second bedroom. We passed the washer and dryer, which was on the side, and then this is the master bedroom. Beautiful accent wall in the back. Walk-in closet with double-sided mirror windows, and the master bathroom. In the shower, you have tiles throughout, all the way to the ceiling, windows in the bathroom for natural light. That's it for tonight, for today. If you're curious, right now I'm sitting at one of our model homes in the city of Montebello. Beautiful home. Like always, I appreciate your support. I'm available if you need help with any of the Lennar homes in Orange County and LA County. Give me a call and I will be happy to help. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.